Hey guys, Justin Eakins here, Canadian River Hilton Hunting Lodge in western Oklahoma. When hunting with a decoy and when choosing your decoy, if your decoy looks 90% real, I'm going to say you're going to get positive results 90% of the time. If you take your just bow target out there and say, hey, I've shot it up, it's been a little weather, it don't look very good, but 20% of the people say it looks like a deer, 20% of the time, I tell them you might get positive results, and 80% of the time you're going to get negative results. You're going to trick a few of them, but you're not going to trick as many. The nice thing about these decoys right here is the durability of them. I've used them for years. If you want to pop the horns off, you can pop the horns off and make a doe decoy out of it. During pre-rut and rut, I love the posture and effect because it shows some dominance, and them deer want to come in when he's bowed up at them. If you want to use it when it's not pre-rut and rut and try it, the ears are adjustable. You can take him out of the postured effect. In my opinion, these Dave Smith decoys are as good as they get. I've used them for years. They're built well, the results over them are phenomenal. If you get a chance, go check out the Dave Smith decoys, but I do know that there are some other great decoys out there available.